So I'm starting this project of framing in the propane tank that I got, and using the Banks nailer. Working out really well. It's doing a good job. And I still got some more to put in to complete it, but for the siding of it, I didn't want to go through all of it with my circular saw here, so I went to Lowe's and I caved in. I picked up the 10-inch table saw from Craftsman. It's 15 amp. It's got a 3-year limited warranty on it. Let's see, there's a couple specs there. It does come with a folding stand, and let's see, there's some other specs. It's got what, like 5,000 RPMs max, which is comparable to the other saws that I looked at. The cuts aren't as like I saw the Cobalt one that I wanted, but that was like $330. It did like 3.5 and 2.5, so not that much larger. But this was only $169. Normally it's like $200. So I'm gonna. There's the tank that I'm gonna be putting on the side of the house. But yeah, I'm gonna crack this open, try to set it up, and see what I can do. I know I'm not gonna be able to get all the sheets cut, but I just want to open it up, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so pretty much got it assembled. Wasn't too bad. The hardest part was probably putting the legs together. Not too much to say about the legs. I don't have it bolted in because I'll probably be storing it differently than having it like this, because you know, kind of lacks some space. But yeah, the paint isn't so durable on these when you put them together, kind of chipped, but whatever. But for the most part, I'm really surprised by it, so far. Definitely has some decent features, and for 169 bucks, it's got some good storage for all of your tools and all that, all the accessories. It's got good storage for the sub fence there that goes on top of the roof fence. The roof fence is pretty accurate. I measured that. This miter gauge is a little sloppy, but if you can see here, the blade guards seem decent. It's not like too flimsy or anything. Got the anti-kickbacks, so not too bad, but it's easy on off. There's storage here for the blade guards. Let's say, like right now I have it set for 9 inches, and it's pretty it's dead on. The blade definitely is nice and level. Let's see. It's got more storage on this side. Got the dust collector back there. And yeah, check the accuracy on the angle. So let's go 45. And we'll take this here. It's definitely spot on right there. Whatever stops, but yeah, it's definitely good. So yeah, so far I'm definitely happy with it. Not too much else to say about it. Nice and easy, one hand. Got 3 1/4 of a depth cut. Nice and goes down nice. See if I can get this on with one hand. There you go. Yeah, definitely not bad for 170 bucks. Let's, I guess, make some cuts with it. See what happens there. So I got around to using the Craftsman table saw, and yeah, it's working out really well. Just cutting up some OSB and using that as the walls for the enclosing of the propane tank. And the wall table is working out good. One thing I wish they did was I wish they had legs extended. That would be a nice little feature, you know, so it can equal out to whatever surface you need it for.
Daddy,
Yeah.
meal.
All right. Well, yeah, it's working out good so far.